China has just shocked the world with what its building can, yet almost no one is talking about what it really means.
Let's dive deep into the real story, Corey, and make sure to stay with us until the very end.
As Western media focuses on distractions, China is silently pulling ahead. While the world argues about the present, something massive is quietly taking shape. A new kind of future, faster, smarter, and almost unbelievable. Not theory, not prototypes, reality. Machines are no longer just tools, they're learning, adapting, and making decisions on their own. Entire systems are being built where algorithms run cities, transport, and services. Delivery is being reinvented. Instead of waiting at your door, autonomous drones follow fixed air routes, dropping packages precisely where needed. Even remote villages are now connected through airborne logistics. Vehicles are evolving into thinking machines. You don't just drive them, you talk to them. Call your car, and it comes to you on its own, navigating traffic like a human, or better. Cars are no longer limited by traditional movement. They can rotate on the spot, slide sideways, and even float through flooded streets. Transportation is becoming adaptive, almost alive. Performance has reached another level. Some vehicles react faster than human reflexes, even adjusting suspension in milliseconds. Speed, control, and design are merging into something entirely new. Charging is no longer a waiting game. In just minutes, vehicles gain enough power for long-distance travel. Energy is becoming as fast as movement itself. Trains are breaking free from the ground. Using magnetic force, they glide at incredible speeds, faster than many aircraft during takeoff. Distance is shrinking. The next generation is being trained differently.